the car rental place opens at 6 o'clock. Just got pulled over.
And it's valuable.
It's not 24 hours.
Yeah. Thank you for holding.
I am picking up my friend Chris.
We just out in Ohio.
He's coming down now. Because we are going to go to our other friend, Marnie. Because we are headed across the country. I have about 10 days on the road. We're dropping the car off at San Francisco Airport and we'll be flying back. All right, Chris, where are you?
Oh yeah, the memory left.
Our road trip officially begins. Because Uber is here. Hello? I'm so sad. We're stuck. No. We're in front of the dollar car rental. No one's in there. They say they're open 24 hours online, but hello? Anyone? I guess that's a lie too. No, we're just trying to figure out where to go, where to call. Can't see anybody in there? Excuse me. Hi, good morning. What time does the dollar? 6 a.m.? Oh, okay. It's not 24 hours. They open at 6. Try it one more time. What if it breaks? Watch. Look at Chris's handle broke, so. How much is a code? What the f? It is a beautiful day here in Newark. Today I was supposed to be catching the longest flight ever to Singapore, but I'm here to pick up a car now. California, here we come. After 2 hour wait. Arnie will do the honors. Dun, da, 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 da. Yeah! This is great. Oh look, see? Hertz is doing this thing where they put a sticker on the door and if it is broken, don't use it. Yay! Chicago first! Okay. We are here at Wawa. Gotta get some breakfast for the road. And also we haven't eaten breakfast yet. So our first stop, Chicago, Hyatt House. It is about 12 hours away. Welcome to the vlog. Miss you, Alice. You have to poop?
No.
Oh. Look in the back. So much clothes.
All these bags.
All these bags, snacks, money, and Marnie. A little bit of this. Pennsylvania. Woo! Here we go. Pursue your happiness.
I don't know what time, but we're in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, Pennsylvania.
120 miles in?
120 miles in, and this guy just got pulled over. I was too close to a car. I got a warning. Gave me a. So yeah, we got 600 more miles to go. We're stopped. Not at Subway. It's called Pilot. There's a lot of these along the interstates. He's trying to escape.
Oh.
My basement's too big.
You go out in style.
All evil comes.
It's a windshield.
It's so quiet. It's so quiet in here. So we are 6 hours into the trip and gotta use the bathroom. We just stopped in Ohio. We switched drivers.
Oh my God, why are you yelling?
We just stopped in Ohio.
Wanna talk for me? Go.
Oh my lordy.
That's all I heard.
Oh my lordy. Oh my lordy.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Let me get more, let me get more, let me get more. Ooh, gimme.
Child.
Ooh, gimme. What a shape. I think I said it reminds you of 3D Doritos.
3D Doritos.
3D, I was saying 3D Doritos. 3D Doritos. 3D Doritos. Huh? Oh, good.
Nice. Leave me alone.
She's yelling. Look at this. Look at the ingenious that's happening right now.
Wait,
And the cup. Chicago 242 miles. Can you read it? Oh. Come on, give me a bird. Woo! Let's go. 80 west.
We know your time is valuable. A representative will be with you as soon as possible. Thank you for holding. We know your time is valuable. A representative.
Wow. All right. So it's definitely EzPass that's not working. We go to number 12. Oh, we'll see what happens. Oh, we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Please.
Baby.
Come on, baby. Yeah. Ew, it looked like a straw.
I know.
Oh. Okay.
Haha, you suckers.
Say it one more time.
Haha, you suckers.
Now, does that feel great after what happened to us?
Very
It
nice.
feels so great. It feels great. All right, we're gonna enter the Chicago Skyway Bridge. Oh, that's what. Chicago, all the way in the distance. Look at that skyline. Pops up in the middle of nowhere. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Take the W. W. Open your window, Marnie. Whoa, this area. Wow. It's freaking 15 hours of driving later. We made it. All right. Where is the bank? It's a fun bank. So I think on every floor they have hand sanitizers, and then in the elevators they're telling riders to please socially distance. At least we get to walk. Ah, wow. Okay. Wow, look at the moon. Oh, that moon. Sinabi ko nga eh. Nice.
Head south on North Columbus Drive toward East South Water Street, then turn right onto East South Water Street.
He's nervous. He's
nervous.
Can I get the whole week?
Thank you, Chris from Salt and Smoke, for this lovely, lovely party gift. We entered Kansas. Getting some gas. Yo, gas here is, look, $1.98.